ena ensem no nyina ewo ade achia bia dwumadi eso enie anapay me wo anuanom mienu ewo menchen wa hase wo mo efri eye GCB Bank na ye ba bedin komo afa eye GCB Bank wo mo dwumadi a wo mo edia ya to din say Hajj account eno ho enkomo na ye ba bedin no enne na anapay wo mo menchen wa ha no mo eba bedin komo afa eye sa Hajj account yi ho eye Saida Haruna ono eye GCB Bank retail bank head office ena ono owo wo department ho no ena me wo eye menua bema Richard Wobil ono so ewo eye GCB Bank retail department ono so ewo menchen ewo hase ya me ne wo mo ena eba bidi eye enkomoi anopai Saida.
Hello.
Etse
Me pachaye bebre.
Bia okan krantwi
Ada bi me katwi yankasa.
Katwi yankasa.
Metina me nyini wo Kumase.
Oh, okay. To ka real tree yankasa. Richard.
Yes, sir.
What the name fancy ana
fancy ni tree na.
Fancy ni tree na.
Yeah.
GCB Hajj account. Then.
Yeah, GCB Hajj account near dedica maminchia etfo so omo up America kra on beti and ye nkomo butchucha ye baba chucha no pay na de omni say embreni na ye hu say ye nuanum muslimifo ya na ompese omko Hajj ya na edumre awose omuchia omusika for the Hajj no ya na koye insem kakra ebiwa sika no munyani krumba akona omuntumi emfenchia sika oso muchia no enti ye the account yi ba say ebeboa ye nuanum na before amre no bedu no omenye mbre abo sika no nkakra ekosi mbre omenye sika omuhia for the Hajj no metumi die tukwan tenu nti na the Hajj
we particularly na for the Muslim community.
Exactly and enye a general account, it's a specific driven account.
Saida, how different and this very account
Okay, nti say ye share brofokata mo ye will be a friend tailored made.
Tailored made.
Wow. Nti ya pam no say be ya ebe fiti botaye bi. Nti sa account we different in the sense that ya ne say wakwentu na odebeko maka koye Hajj no ya ye no se features ni ye suited enti no de bema wo journey no aye easy from time ma wo boaboa wo sika no to time ma wo beko akoye wo Hajj aba no ni nyina ya hwe se ye bema wo enya like enjoyable experience like enijie mu wo beko na enijie mu enti se nka first na wa wo beye wo arrangement kakra na o de akono we no bank ne say bie sa Hajj account we na sika bia wo benye bia eni yes ye de atoso afi ana afi ba ko na o benye sika no afi mienu fa betum kakra na wunya wo Hajj sika na ya boa ma wako Hajj sa ena sa account we ti
so me for being am so bisa difference wo account
and I quite can be because on the account there more at times to be same them per current account per savings fixed in home how different
to our current account ye ina enim say no for transactional purpose obi or any business and also any personal business be and you say and also be a salaried worker ya be issue checks near there or the third party money pan to me about bank about be scan there near one and near current account and there was savings account and there ubo scan wom say what the baby bintino and no one shall issue checks near there also and near second one but this particular Hajj account is so a savings account but we
particularly savings
it's a savings account basically but and yet there for a general purpose then aside that it's for a specific purpose and it's tailor made for our Muslim brothers and sisters. Some of the features are money different from the normal savings and it's a one standard savings when your interest also because I need savings would you see capital now person when you be kakra account but way because a year to your Muslim brothers and sisters need to know a year na yamfa interest account into interest in so one and a secondly so no savings no ye ma kwai ma winyi be enfim Yes.
Because yes.
Yes. Yeah, mount a situation, creative situation, a bema why a bit disciplined towards the savings, you know, for the purpose.
Okay.
Because once a menu, ye kasa a boy sika for bibia. And chebia sikane do baby no bunsana or fasibia ba send school fees and I say we are but no so do ska nsako boss can now the into try say very strict withdrawals our account no so savings account there oba opesa withdraw be more ye ba we entisa and thirdly so no we any fixed term for savings side I'm say side boss say usie usika kakra one you want intermittent savings and a regular savings intermittent in say there ochna and the wunya 1 cedi obetimi dia beto ochna wunya 50 Ghana cedis obetimi dia beto the next day any amount bia benye bia obetimi dia beto and found yen kasa chinchina for skase na beto every periodically obi nso wo ha oye bosume adwuma you know and bosume adwuma no of say o ebia menya 5000 bosume pesa me 1000 to and I said bosume pesa me 200 cedis to sa akonya ni na wo ma nti bosume no my instruction yet me establishing standing instruction cry our regular salary account no so send a beya bosum no wumba bank say we discard ba to Hajj account no system nan kasa be deduct scan fee current account na call Hajj account no directly into wo ha we ni so bete no be ko na osika Hajj account ni sika gum pocho a che say obetumi afa ade process we payment for Hajj and it makes it simpler into so yeah another one and na wetumi agada osika na wenya do sika or say we do tia for Hajj no GCBC ye beboa na why payment no luckily enough we were Hajj board with us yetumi ye payment directly on my account is with us and say ye payment to them similar so honum na yetumi ye payment to the Hajj board and na yen kaso say mpese me che bibi mu ha say one ye wo agent omoboa ye nuanom no when they travel omo visa applications travel itinerary in terms of transportation air transport ni ade do Mecca and Medina Crampo and so wo internal transporter agent no na organize bibia with their accommodation sa agent na djuma no ye djuma pepepe nti edumre sa wo say ye payment ma customer na on instructing na obechen agent on was select say obehwe da part of the worker man and normally say customer need to scan ma agent na sikano end up with the Hajj board because agent need to add to the Hajj board before a nip and bit me with the Hajj board being with us no it becomes much easier in the year payment to the Hajj board in the name of the agent na customer no was select no in the name of the agent and then the customer, which makes it easy for both the customer and the agent because when you some beba bank abeka say we choose come agent agents so aka say we to me my Hajj board be be seamless easily for us on that regard into say way they be bia us on the Hajj activities not like the normal regular savings account.
Okay.
Yeah,
but say that more at times what is to banker be it savings or whatever na some deductions in kakra bi ekoso
okay
we so tisa
there be enti na ye say we no ya ye ne say de be ma wo journey na ye easy amount so this account no ye be ma all the services that you need into your mobile banking.
Also, make us a worker and feel free, blend yourself. Okay. Blend
mobile banking, internet banking, download the app no, but yen so she was so because our account we know your my interest was so into kakra bank no so be to me I amount and say yen so she was so.
So I stand to gain something.
You stand to gain a lot. In fact, you stand to also with this journey. On say one kasa we your preparation now kwa. You go and you come. Losses are obey now honor. It's on your head. But with this account, no, we are saying that yebemao insurance now odie 2 coin. It's yebemao travel insurance to the tune of 10,000 euros. Sa insurance way will cover critical illness. And from time I'll be free airport, I could see Maka, Obeya or ha just back no. So time ni na say unya critical illness na medically report say oyare na ukunya o kwan no so no critical illness yebema 10,000 Ghana cedis now they are show ena afi nso so say okona bibi ekosi nya yem penisa but bibi kosi na say obaba ayebeka ne say we di dem kakra intino o regular duties na we before say wo kono untumi nye bioma eno so yebema of 50,000 Ghana cedis o de besa ho yare ena afi nso ne kra say okona say one back alive na oba nyame mpebone na free mu and also yebema of family ana we busua for 10,000 Ghana cedis na sa travel insurance we so no include say bia obi bia koyora usually maka etesi pa okwa otimi koja oniema wo baby ubeba na eni ho ni nyina bank ne say obi bi yura yebeboa to the tune of 10,000 euros we enti wo hwa say odo ho be join sa hard account we ya unkone sa akwa o benefits bebre anka wankasa wo ye o preparations enka unya and afin so sa insurance we no kick in for the travel no it is say time ubedru airport ubeko maka na wasa ye o hajj na waba back unye free airport na abra wabedru Ghana na travel insurance no ende wo honom and afin so sa account we no say my ye payment minya ye kasa no ka say uye contribution na time no so na unya usika yebe boa amwa ye payment to wa agent a ope obi wo ha obetimi aka say me mpese mo be ye payment na mame me amekwa akoye me payment sa no ye allow but then sa travel insurance we no enjoy bi unye bi because ye ntimi guarantee say odisi kan come agent no ampa utu kwan na say we ntu kwan no enti both ways ni nyina wo hono.
Let's take it say I saved with the GCB na a brand song you know instead of GCB be me documentation bibia me me antiase I took the money and did things on my own. Benefits when me count
me patron INT payments bit no na ye be ya amount but sell visa na sell travel plans ni say bia baby a obeda ne de ye agent ti ye ntumi nye but ye betimi aboa ni aye payment ni in the name of who agent no sa no kra no benya receipt ni bibia e che say wo bank aye transfer ama agent but say wo mpene sa ene sa travel insurance we no enjoy be because ye ntumi guarantee say o ko journey na say wan ko journey ni bi.
I see. More at times, people do save years and son a BBC to me abaso. How safe is the money deposited in your account? This time, no, ebia medeme huashim manko sikano so my contribution no manadru baby or blue. Will it be refunded to me? Will it go into my different account or let's still sit?
And your options be say sa sika we out the brain. First of all, GCB there and kane Ghana Commercial Bank ni there. Ye nyina enim se ope baby a udu sika be kwa koto a obesa akogye wa there asumdwe mu a GCB. Eno so etire no yesi ye nte wo hwe enti usika no se dia ode beto ho no sa na obeba be fa no ena afin so se wo ya wadwen say okay hajj no me nya nko bioma na makoba akwaba sika kakra da account me pese sika na de ye betimi aya ma on say isi that say ye be say on you wow request ye betumi a transfer sa hard account near their normal banking savings ubetumi a operating it say we normal saving ube you sika o discover betum ube ye bibia nti ye betumi aye sa ma na emomu ka say ye unko hard ni biom there is no way I obeko uhye scanner wa account ni mu nso a ye betumi edit scanner ma
Wobel.
Yes, chief.
Saida ko
Yeah.
Ebia opese ode wo eka ho.
Yeah.
Obetumi aye contribution no e de amount.
Excellent question. That's a pass with a question we. the woman say even from OKayFM crampon ebia me sister bi or no ni ahome na obetumi de akobi and me brother bi ni ahome obetumi akobi ba ya me aboa me a me wo enough for me to me de pay for either of them and aso mu nyina e ba ni sana me metumi bie account amom individually. There are options to bet me be account amom individually. Na kakra bia mbenye bia me de beti tuma amom kakra kosi mra mbenya amount no mu hia na mbetumi de akọ. Nti no kra wo na wo sponsor mo kra enya ehu nya se obenya sika ne kru. Betumi aye ne kakra amom sa. Open so kra na obetumi bia account na wo ankasa wodi mu. Na mbre ni duah wo so mo kwa. No am in list of people o ka say omukon. No am a list no. Nti be payment no on their behalf with their selected agent no. Na ye payment no ya make sure so say insurance no be cover omumeni na no motimi akọ. Nti e was sponsors so abi wa large bi on ma so nipa 20 na age ma wona se. So afi we dem person me de enum ko ana say 10 ko ana 15 ko depending on one strength or nti betimi aka say okay next year me de 5 beko nti ma starting gather scan no kakra opo betumi bia account amom nyina open so betumi bia account no nko ani din mu no we boa sa scan no anu won no account no mbre no duah no wa ma yehu omo pese otua mom omko na ya yes payment ni bibia na mom se obia account mom individual eno no enya kogu om account no pe eyo mom dia nti ono ni control osubie nti omo no be my instruction no na etumi aye payment no on their behalf nti eno so
opening an account no it demanding your bebre.
Yeah.
And never bear most. Let me push that to side.
Okay.
And never bear me here, and I will be here for that very account.
Okay. Tisa hard account we know. So be just say we penny and a Ghana mra no. Before say you be throw penny now also the doom. That's 18. Aha. It's also watching.
Yes.
I also do watching. It will be a way do watching. What valid Ghana card? I ECOWAS identity card. No. Clear passport picture. We feel light bill and a 50 cedis pay. Oba ye be boa no we wa fill account opening form no. Na ye be account normal. Into de we here ni 50 cedis pay na o de be account.
50 cedis.
Me patch
50.
50.
Okay, 50 cedis.
Me patch
500 or 50.
50 Ghana cedis 50.
50. And then you to media
50 cedis.
50 yeah. Tienu enu ina
5 cedis mako 10.
Eno nti enu anu ma bia omuye ejuma no emfeska kesembro at least ye ma akonya na obia kakra etumi saving kakra tumi de akọ de ehia ni say you say enu anu ma eya na omonsan ni bi bebre no omu na ye hwe say ebetumi aboa omo aye ne kakra agadaska ti bia ye enu anu ka ya omo ye muslims on person omo kobi and okokosua ne ma onya 5 cedis a obetumi di 2 cedi kra betum okosua no onya 10 cedi obetum di 5 cedi abetum sanka kankakra nti ye mpesa o diska krum ababa be hyase a eno so etwe no na bia hunya bia e bibi na hunya ye withdrawal so ya limit ne kakra nti 50 Ghana cedi kra na betumi aba na wa hyase na kankakra obenwa ni se wonya dia wonya
so we no ye bibia e wo ho for the urban group and I say we in the rural
urban bebia obi always ka kese baako osio saska we next haje e bia 8 months time me mention ya na me de to amedi nti bia me bia account na me de atum me fa me sanka haje ni duso aneja me tumi de tia because he had limited no on withdrawals nti oni say no on to me fa ni sanka till the time but withdrawal asem no man pese me che bibim kakra wa enu nkyere say bibia ba na emergency if say bia bra kwesi we yare na critical or say hospital na winiska onia bi ani won so obeboa winyiska ma wetimi de akwess ade haji ni so wuni ahonde a wontumi nko sabi so wefim so a wontumi nko nti anu de wo ba e be make sure say wetumi ayi usika ne bi e de akonya nya ayaresa unya home na wo ba na wabeto aso nkakra na wetumi di mobilize dia wo hia no na wetumi di akọ.
Let's take it that me guswa me and along the line.
Yeah.
Manosi sumuna so and I'm free mo.
Yeah.
Where does that money go to?
Exactly. So that question is very important. Now me say baby I could be almost obia to obisa, which is something that can easily happen. Obia kofo bebre dream says say obi baby account not the obi din show as next of kin. Nature so no na say BBC or say just can man patcho de be entisa. Yeah, when next of kin just boy ma BBC you to me no bia you between call you on to help. But obi film next BBC sia yeah or kwaya faso at the disbursement funds or one account at the ma any beneficiary court bekase yan chairman. And there are two processes, even one, but it takes depending on the situation. Say ebi anipa no with wella or with wella and omo which are for the court now maji probate at the aba. There will be executors in the probate who we would disperse the funds to. No more ebi ebusan for na say they are beneficiary to the funds no omo disperse it too. But then say nipa no who with one so I know omo call for early what we call letters of administration omo the aba. Then so ya hwe so na etia any funds in the account to the administrators no more mahwe someone who send on by disbursement of the fund. This will be who acquire your faso at the disbursement funds in the account no I don't know the sanity.
So I can just walk into Ghana Commercial Bank.
GCB Bank.
Sorry, former.
Yes.
Former Ghana Commercial Bank.
Yeah.
Now GCB
Bank, yeah.
Walk in there.
Yes.
And then that's it.
And open account. To buy also person will be a Hajj account. Ben mama also we Muslim. A spice or beko Hajj.
When you're Muslim.
When you're Muslim,
you're out.
Yes. One thing is say we are Christian now, but now so person will be a one ko Hajj now this benefit we now. Remember, interest in your account, so there are benefits. For which reason, interest in you, you person the money panel, no enjoy. And she said, one ko Hajj, and that's a baby, ko Hajj, no baby, sa account to ya. A doom rare also we use can, and that's also to Kwana. So, Kwan be now, Unka say, we be or Hajj account in Timenia insurance cover when I'm traveling. No, it's not for the purpose of those traveling, it's only for Hajj. In Tiabanisa, Emwa. So we are Christian also so gadaska your product wa uba bank wa ye be boa na we nyas those products no na what to mobilize your funds na what to
if not say I'm not walking in
yes
can I call it
yes wonderful until be o honma baby o wono. And let me say something, GCB is the biggest bank in terms of branch network. There are 184 branches nationwide baby o be ku bia yo oh enti obi opeso obi account we bia no there's nearest branch obetumi akọ but obi wa baby owo no bibi nti ontumi nko banking what is na wo kan obetumi afre your numbers we first one here 0800 toll free into tia or call cry free 0800 422 422 message ubm 0800 422 422 any one so person send a text message and as a WhatsApp messenger or send it on 0202 422 422 message subm 0202 422 422 into offer and as a send a text to this message or be contacting no near man is salesperson or no will be accounting that easily.
Saida, let's take it monsieur I call GCB could be account. I am not based here. From anywhere around the world, can I do deposit or whatever?
I inti or baby around the world that year was Swift coder ube to media transfers. Titi akra there were apps baby ube to me used to now they are sending this card directly into an account. Inti no you can use all these avenues. And I think who be a hasi and who be a brochia or you're interested in Hajj and also or best sponsor or you was sponsor ube to me a BA Hajj account no now the account number no and they can do transfers all over the world into this account.
I see. You share maximum requirement by saying I'm here or what of the minimum?
oh minimum ye 50 cedis said ya kana.
Yes, but the maximum.
It's maximum need up to the tune now pay. Obi wo ha it's not just hajj fee no na obe gada because oko haja obe didi obe toniema. So it's to your ahwadi a wo no eno na wo de be gada says kanu to betimi gada manabro so e bro so na wo ko haja it to be the says kanu eto card so ma it instead senka obe kwa obe his kanu na wa ko change scanning into dollars no sisi aye they to card so amount which is safer and after so no you get the bank rate most at times better than any other rate. Nti wo kwa ade wo be ya ne say o to ade na wo tua bibia wo de wo card ne ma wo bo wo password na to say wo sika no wetua because it will be paid in Arab sika na your friend reals no even though say wo save in cedis. It is that convenient.
Okay.
And I remember if I should add something. Once I can say obi o ha alaji bi o pese or sponsor in Crawford no muko we be accounting in his name also gather enough every year for 20 people, for 10 people, for 15 people. So I know there's no limit on the account until bet me I mobilize so much. I bet me I soon the number of people or person or sponsor. Until you need limit your friend saying account, as in terms of the balance. But minimum there, bet me keep it up to 50 Ghana.
So whoever want to start now can go to any GCB branch.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. No, we be sure. Obi wo se she hanuma, you also hanuma. But your manager wa ha. The number, ebe man no dia tuja. Obi a person obi a haja account be a on friend no. Obema obi a babe buano, a man need to me be a account.
It matters not where you are.
No, yeah, so obey say she hanuma dia fine, but say oh baby a embe hanuma on friend no man na yedi kan de my no. And they will be from your call center. No assign you be a obey no. I'm an abba buano.
I see.
Yeah.
Yes, sorry. Message by now. Am I a Muslim community or multi?
Yeah, per se. First of all, my main your manager number and two jam. Okay. Manager number 0246 45 27 14. My means you should be 0246 45 27 14. A friend now. Okay,
didn't quite say here. Rootman.
Yes. Obi associate mo bi enemy no. Nti ono friend na obehwe na obi aba na wa bibia account na ma na funds no.
The very first time I won a wiani.
Ono ana wo hu no wa.
Yes.
Very big man.
Daytime me hu that. Me hu na jo. I see. Saida. Akakrabe na odijai answer also.
Okay, mpatwanti me de minim se minuanom dagomba for bebre was.
So you want to speak your language?
Yes,
no problem, carry on.
Nti me last message meka no dagomba mabehe ebi side ambon zungo GCB bank zangla haj account ngona haj account ngonyala den zang so do na dama pompon so kam no to nan haji ankuyen nang shem nyala kam na GCB bank nti yo hard account bielfu kam ayenya kaza nang de ka shekara de ka yes shelayen zang yola account goma anku mal shel kam an kananti zannan bielfu halka tinye larma ami yenye haji larma nyini yen wote novo to ambo na mino chan haji dinyala agent yeto akan yango ai wote a agent katu yola arma anti agent ma patela mala song some pumpkin zang pa la hard account ngoma don so la hard account ngoma nyala ban sha dinye so kam da alalbre no no don so kam na to your hard account na din ya so go.
Wow. Oliver, what's that?
Boko no la.
Boko. Ngole mangabi. So let me give you also.
You made a
message of hope to our Muslim brothers.
You any GCB ngomo day of abrayo sacrifice o. Oboye pachi to atin biala ko meka ni bien. Akonya nawa. Je babucha accounts. account so like kwakubuche with 50 cedis as minimum but yeah here we here check for sky pre to account na can be yakunya biala na boboy no ngaka kopim tambo yo bude scan boy e pache wosa kan my for to what ni okoso oso la yakoma ekoma agent mo e pache facility wo attend ma ekon na ye oduma no ya ne atwanche biala fa ya mo ekokoso la bank ne wo mo hyehyɛ kama boy insurance ewe say anwene bi eto a bank na komo sika na fa kokora wo say oni jempo boy fa company sabi okọ kanka bi na che atin bia so na say osa angan a bank na kobuka na osa ha oni nje ya na che wa muska ma afa ise afa atwia nti ngomo boy GCB fa wale ene hoye
that's it. Wobel
Yes, Chief. Me find out where it's inti the America che minianum Muslimi for or more year margins on person komeka. Emre na ni men train man bringing do and kase o menyambre webo scano inti mesa yen ada foforo. But you start here and there in kakra. Emre bedu say or say okono. No when you scar requires a way to me edit ya or hajj na way to me the akwa into yen shase now. Thank you.
all right ma memfast da no pay for ma Saida Haruna ono so ewo GCB Bank Retail Bank our head office ono so no pay or buy